It's a lovely evening and we are expecting to have a cracker of a match here.
The pitch seems dry and spinners can be very instrumental here. The batters needs to be very careful about the turn and make sure the technique is solid. The captain has opted to bat first after winning the toss.
These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform.
Ladies and gents, please stand up for the national anthems.
Welcome everyone to this wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. Out come the openers, cheered by a good crowd in. The bowler has the new ball. We're all set to go for the first ball of the innings. Oh, that's picked up and straight into the crowd for a six. I tell you what, that shot looks even better in the replay. Lovely timing. I tell you what, the slow ball won't be a bad option on this pitch. That's in the air. Oh, what a catch. He managed to hang on to that. Just that one to perfection. Looks frustrated as he takes a long walk back to the pavilion. The bowler must try and keep this new batsman on strike and create pressure. That is glorious. Perfect timing and placement. This must be hurting the captain. He needs his bowler to be more disciplined with his lines. Squeeze a single there, good running. Poor running between the wickets, really poor. Shot, lovely shot right from the middle of the bat. Good aggressive intent shown by the batsman. Beautiful placement. He knows exactly where the fielders are. Well, that brings us to the end of the power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. Good shot for a single. There is a little bit on the surface for the bowlers. It is also good for batting. Oh, well bowled, a ripper. The batters need to start taking a few risks now. Scoring rate at the moment is a crawl. Oh, that's a beauty of a delivery. The bowler really unlucky to not get an edge on that one. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Very well struck. Nobody's going to catch that unless in the crowd. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs they'll have that security. That's gone high. Loose shot and the fielder pulls off a beauty. A long walk back to the pavilion. Doesn't look happy at all. Last ball coming up. Edge, but lands in a no man's land. He deserved a wicket there. End of the first inning won't be long before we resume this thrilling contest. The fielding side looks warmed up and ready to go. Openers walking in and the crowd cheering in anticipation. No one at fine leg. Bowler needs to stay away from the pads. Mid-off in place. There must be some nerves as the batsman is set to face his first ball. It's a full house here, and what an atmosphere we've had for this match. Well, that is glorious, absolutely glorious, perfect timing. He's not going to miss out on those. Four runs, plays into the gap fabulously. No one at fine leg. Bowler needs to stay away from the pads. The crowd is enjoying every bit of this action. Good shot for a single. The fitness level of the players today is something else. Wonderful to see them run like that. Carved away through the gap for 4. That is smart batting. Good aggressive intent shown by the batsman. Pace bowler into the attack. And the batting power play comes to an end. Well bowled and equally well played. Feel the bowler should be around that good length area more. Muscle, a magnificent shot for 4. He's not going to miss out on those. Missing his line there, wide signalled. Good length, and the batsman meets it with a solid straight bat. Feel the bowler should be around that good length area more. Well placed into the gap, possible 2. This is poor fielding. They can't leak out runs like this. Fans would be disappointed. Mid-off in place. The captain would definitely feel let down by the effort. Fielders are expected to support the bowler. Need to keep things really tight. Last ball coming up. They put a good all-round performance today, bowled well to defend their total. They've earned the victory.